Experience AINexLayer, where onboarding is effortless and the possibilities are endless. Start with a simple welcome. Then choose from 50-plus top-tier AI models that power smarter automations. Set up secure admin access and team preferences. Effortlessly scale from solo to enterprise in seconds. Rest easy with transparent privacy controls. Your data, chats, and documents are protected with enterprise-grade security every step of the way. Personalize your journey. Tell us about your goals and usage, so features, support, and tips are tailored exactly for you. Personalize your platform and launch your first workspace in just a few clicks. You'll be ready to harness cutting-edge AI and transform productivity from your very first day. Unlock your AI advantage. Join AINexLayer today.